I was just looking at the water buffalo.
You saw water buffalo?
They're right there. It's a water buffalo.
Oh my gosh, did you see the ostrich? He's behind they have an ostrich.
Oh my gosh. So this place is having a little fun.
Yeah. Today's cycle trip will begin in Sancerre. We will go along the Loire River for 32 miles, about 51 kilometers, and we will end our cycling in the town of Nevers. We woke up that morning, packed our panniers, loaded our bikes, and left the hilltop medieval town of Sancerre. Since we were at the top of the hill, there was only one way to go, and that was downhill. By the way, Patrick's mom went to French language school in this building. On our way out of Sancerre in the morning, the light is just gorgeous. And we're going down there. There's the Loire. We're headed to Nevers. Okay, Patrick, where are we eating at today? This is lunch, by the way. This is our lunch.
What?
This is lunch.
Yeah, this is lunch. This is called the Berry in a town called, what is it, Chavagne-sur-Loire?
La Cherie.
Hmm?
La Cherie?
La Cherie? I don't know. We haven't even crossed the bridge into the town, but there's this very popular restaurant right here.
It's full of
with
men having lunch together.
Yeah, and it's there's you and one other person in this room with about 20 people are female.
Oh, really?
Plus the servers. And it's a 3-course dinner or lunch with I have the duck mousse. You have the fish quiche.
Yeah.
Lovely salad to go with it.
Oh my gosh, it is so delicious. It's the fish quiche, and I just inhaled it. Just the flavors, and it's so warm, and yeah. How is yours?
It is really, really good. Really good.
We just had a really fun lunch. 3 courses at this restaurant. It says it's family owned since like the 1600s. I don't know if that's true.
It's hot, it's late. So if there's this way that goes right to our 25 Rue Gambetta, we would turn around, we would go back to the bridge, we would go like that.
Okay.
We can do that. We
Yeah.
probably should.
Yeah.
Because do you see what I'm looking at?
Yeah, let's do it.
It's quite a bit longer.
Yeah, we're going
even
a long
now.
way.
So, first time, right? Changing direction and
Turning around was a mistake. We should have stayed the course on the designated bicycle route. As soon as we crossed the bridge, there was no bicycle path. We made our way on crumbling sidewalks along a busy road in 80-degree weather. It took over an hour for us to reach our accommodation.
yeah, let's keep going.
When we finally did arrive, we were pleasantly surprised. We were staying in the heart of the city, but the room was tucked away in the back of the garden. We had to go through 3 doors before we entered the garden. Our bikes were definitely secured once we had them in the garden. The apartment was through another door and up a flight of stairs, but it was quite large. There was a sitting room with a little TV and a dining room with a nice large table. There was a little kitchen, had a bedroom, and a bathroom. It was very cool inside. There was air conditioning and it was a very hot day. And the best part is we would be spending 2 nights here. That evening, we walked through the old section of Nevers and had dinner at a creperie. Patrick, where are we?
Remember how I told you that in France you can get salads that really kick bum? Well, here we are at the creperie where they make pretty awesome salads with a lot more than just lettuce. So here we are.
Okay.
We're in the town of Nevers. We think we say it as Nevers. And looks like
have a Caesar, and you have
an Auvergne salad, an Auvergnat salad for. So yeah, that's what we have.
We have a nice little breakfast spread in our apartment that we've rented. We've got some bread with plums.
This has pork cracklings
baked
baked into it.
Have you tried it yet?
It's pretty yummy.
Is it? We got some jam at the store and some yogurt and muesli. So I think we're all set. Enjoy. After breakfast, we explored Nevers by foot and visited one of the biggest tourist attractions in the city. Hi, we're in Nevers. We're spending the day just going around the town, and this is a big site to visit. This is where Saint Bernadette died. She was a young girl in the 1850s and saw a vision of the Virgin Mary over a fortnight. The Virgin Mary visited her, and she then was canonized and ended up here in Nevers, where she died of cancer at a young age of 35. But this was a convent, might still be a convent. I know you can stay here. And
what happened to her after she died?
Her body is laid to rest here, but it's you can visit it.
Is it under the ground?
No,
Where is it?
it is. How do you say?
I don't know.
I,
Embalmed?
embalmed. It is embalmed.
Was it disinterred?
Yes, it was disinterred, and her body was disinterred and embalmed, and you can visit it. It's a pilgrimage site, so we went inside and saw her body, and it's a very holy place that you have to be very quiet.
Yeah, it's a place of prayer.
Place of prayer.
And people find it very moving.
Yes. At lunch, we stopped at this restaurant and had a delicious, leisurely 3-course meal. Patrick will pronounce the name of the restaurant correctly and explain its meaning. Patrick, where are we having lunch today?
This is a restaurant called Le 58, which is for the 58, and all of the products come from 58 kilometers from here. And we have, I have a pâté de tête, which is like, I guess in English would be head cheese with a cucumber salad. Mm-hmm. And you have a cucumber soup with balsamic oil, cubes of melon, and some kind of cracker. I'm not sure what it's made out of. I didn't quite catch that.
And I kind of stir that all together.
You can eat it as you wish.
Okay.
So.
Awesome. What has arrived in front of us? We both have the same thing.
Okay, so this is a sausage from a local place, a pork sausage, and we have a type of whole grain that has been cooked in a vegetable mixture and a cream of celery underneath. Excuse me. And a spicy oil, which I just tasted, which is why I'm coughing a little bit.
Okay. Let's enjoy this.
Bon appetit.
For lunch, I have a strawberry rhubarb crumble. And Patrick, what do you have?
This is a caramel cake with a compote of plums, of apples with it. So,
awesome.
Yeah.
Okay. Our meal with a cafe. We had a delightful, restful day of sightseeing and eating in Nevers. Our legs needed the rest from cycling for a day, but we will be ready for the adventure that awaits us on the cycling trail tomorrow.